was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do. It actually feel like I'm at the second appointment. I'm still at the first appointment. I've been here since 10 o'clock. It is approximately 1:15. So I've been here for a while, trying to get this car back up to standards. I actually did the headlights. If you look at the headlights, they look really good. But other than that, we got a few more cars to do for the day. I think we got like 4 or 5 more cars to do. So I'm about to go ahead and pack up the rest of the stuff, let them know I'm done, get paid, head to the next stop, and continue this day, man. I still need to do the windows on this car and the wheels, so I've been here for a while. But like always, man, we taking so much pride in what we do. So on that note, man, we're gonna catch you in a minute, pig. Detail world, what it do, what it do. Now I know I've been mentioning in my video on how to make $1,000 a day, how to make $2,000 a day. And basically it just goes with the pricing and what you're actually doing to the vehicle. So that's one of the main factors. Like right now, I'm doing a detail on this vehicle. So for the price I'll be charging is $175. And then we're doing another car here is $175. That's $350. Then we got 2 more cars to do. We're charging them $150. That go $500. So today on the video, I can say this is how to make $700 in one day. And basically all I'm doing is some basic cleaning. You see, I already got all the mats out. We already started on this side of the car. We have not done the exterior yet. We're still focusing on the interior. So we already wiped down the doors. We already wiped down the seats. You know what I mean? We already vacuumed the carpet. You know, we already wiped the steering wheel and the cup holder area, stuff like that. Monitors, stuff, cup holders back here. And so what we're doing right now, we're actually working on the other side. We already got this area back here vacuumed. If you look, pretty clean vacuum. But if you go look over there, you got a little dirt. You know, your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs. You see I got my all-purpose and my brush and my stuff out right now. So we're finna go ahead and vacuum and wipe down on that side. And then once we finish with the interior, like I said, we're gonna work on the exterior. Go ahead and clean the exterior, make sure we clean the wheels well, wipe the mats down, put them back in the car, and then start on the second car here. Like I said, I already got the vacuum and all the utensils and things out, you know, that I need to do the car properly, to clean the car properly. Yeah, I got on flip-flops today, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and continue doing this job, man. Knock it out. It's supposed to be 92 degrees today, so I would say beat the heat. That's why I'm over here in the shade. But man, in some areas it's just hot. But on that note, man, like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I really appreciate it. And you know, we're trying our best to figure out our own algorithm. We're gonna continue to do what we have to do. We will not copy other people. This is the original channel. Everything is an original. But on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally got this first car done of the day. It literally took us 1 hour and 42 minutes. We actually started on the car approximately at 10 o'clock. But we got the car completely done. We about to do another one here. Well, I'm gonna look in the inside of the car first, because it is extremely dirty. I will not be doing it today, man. I have to reschedule. I'm not really trying to be out here all day. Trying to go enjoy the Sunday with the kids. But you see the car, it was dirty when I first showed y'all the car. Now it looks pretty clean. Give y'all a quick glimpse of the interior. We just vacuumed everything and things like that. But the car came out well. Car looks good. Cup holders, monitors, doors, everything's wiped down properly. Cleaned the seats, stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and park it, pull up the next one. We'll look at the next one first, because like I said, if it's dirty, yeah, I'm probably have to reschedule it. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, please.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.